Hello.
Hi.
And welcome to That's English. In this programme, we're going to watch another episode of Park Hotel.
Today we're talking about technology.
Technology. Ashley, how do you use technology?
I use an MP3 player, a tablet PC, a smartphone, an e-book, a flat-screen TV, a computer, the internet, of course.
OK. Yes, we all use lots of technology every day. But let's see what happens when the chef at Park Hotel uses technology.
Great. But first, here's our question. Why do Clive and the chef go to the shop?
Why do Clive and the chef go to the shop?
I need some eggs and some milk. Oh yes, and I want a lot of bacon. So I click here. Now print. Now why aren't you printing? Is there any paper in the printer? Come on! I've completed the order form and I've checked the paper in the printer. Now I click enter and you print the document. You've crashed again. Are you going to print this document?
Morning, Eric. Is everything okay?
Oh, yes, thank you. I was doing some work on the computer when it crashed. Can I look at it? I was trying to print a document.
Well, I'm not a computer expert, but I think you've broken the keyboard and the hard drive and the monitor.
I think the mouse is okay.
Can I help you?
Yes, this is what we're looking for, Eric. An entry-level desktop workstation. Perfect.
Do you need any help?
I was working yesterday when I realized that what we needed was a dual-core 3.1 gigahertz processor.
Of course. And a DVD RW optical drive.
Excellent. We'd like to buy a computer.
This way, sir.
I think the chef is having some technical difficulties. Algunos problemas técnicos.
Yes, with new technology. Let's look at the question. Why do Clive and the chef go to the shop?
We'd like to buy a computer.
That's right. They need to buy a new computer.
Yes, the old one crashed. It wasn't working at all.
You've crashed again.
But in the end, the computer really crashed.
Sí, al final acabó hecho añicos en el suelo. In the video, we heard some people talking about the past. Watch.
I was trying to print a document. Oh, yes, thank you. I was doing some work on the computer when it crashed.
Last night I was surfing the internet when my new laptop crashed.
Terrible. ¿Recuerdas el uso de estos dos tiempos verbales? I was surfing the internet when my new laptop crashed. Watch again.
I was working yesterday when I realized that what we needed was a dual core 3.1 gigahertz processor.
We also heard some people talking about recent past actions. Watch.
Come on. I've completed the order form and I've checked the paper in the printer.
Do you remember how to ask about intentions? Watch.
Are you going to print this document?
So, Ashley, are you going to look for a new job? Are you going to leave That's English?
Never. And you, Annabelle?
No, I love That's English.
OK, let's see what happens to Clive and Eric.
Listen to some words connected to IT, Tecnología de la Información.
For example, word processing, tratamiento de textos, or spreadsheets, hojas de cálculo. And here's the question. What is Anna going to do with the rest of the things?
What sort of computer are you looking for?
I don't know a lot about computers.
How interesting.
What are your operating system requirements? What do you usually do with your computer?
I order food and I write menus.
So you need word processing and spreadsheets.
I can leave my coffee cup on this while I'm working. Brilliant!
How does this work?
Well, Clive, this is a tablet computer. You just touch the screen, like this.
Really?
These are netbooks. They've got excellent battery life.
Of course, if you have a laptop, you'll need a printer. Would you like a laser printer, an inkjet printer, a black and white printer, a colour printer, a photocopier, a scanner, a fax, or a photo printer?
That one.
That's our all-in-one multifunction colour laser scanner copier photo printer. It's $999.99. Excellent.
What's the first step?
Switch on your computer. Have we plugged it in, Clive?
Oh, of course. That's the first step. I plugged it in now. Let's turn it on. What do we do next?
If you've got a wireless modem, enter your password or connect using an Ethernet cable. Clive, I can speak English, but I can't speak computer.
Hi, Clive. Hi, Eric. Is everything okay?
No.
Now, Eric, you've connected to the internet. What do you do next?
I enter the web address www.kitchenfresh.co.uk/order.
How do I find Eric's new email address?
You use a search engine like this, then click on the link.
chef@parkhotel.org/kitchen. How do you send an email, Anna?
First, you go to your address book and click on Eric's email address.
Simple.
Well done. You've learned so much this afternoon.
There's just one problem, Anna. What are we going to do with this?
Okay. Why don't I return these things to the shop and you guys can play with the internet?
Thanks, Anna.
What is Anna going to do with the rest of the things?
There's just one problem, Anna. What are we going to do with this?
Okay, okay. Why don't I return these things to the shop?
That's right. Anna's going to return them to the shop. She's so helpful.
Menos mal que les ha echado una mano. In the video, Clive and the chef were asking for instructions. Veamos cómo piden instrucciones sobre el funcionamiento de los aparatos. Watch.
How does this work?
What's the first step?
Now, Eric, you've connected to the internet. What do you do next?
How lucky they've got Anna to help them.
Well,
But they were good at asking for instructions.
yes. You can say, how does this work? And what's the first step?
And what do you do next?
Annabelle, do you know anything about computers? I want to contact a friend in the USA.
Well, I use Skyphone. It's internet software. You can speak or send messages.
Okay.
Or where's your computer? Now, first, you need to download it, like this. And then you create a Skyphone account.
How do you create an account?
Well, you enter your name and email address.
Okay.
Now, look at the menu. What's the first step?
Click on the icon. What do you do next?
Well, just wait. Now, click on Accept.
Brilliant! Annabelle, you know everything.
Oh, thank you very much, Ashley. Now, let's listen to a few people talking about their favourite technological or electronic gadget. A gadget es un artilugio electrónico.
Annabelle, what's your favourite electronic or technological gadget?
Probably my iPhone. And what about you, Ashley?
Well, my tablet PC. Now, let's watch.
I'm not really interested in electronic gadgets at all. But I have a phone, very simple one.
My favourite gadget is probably my iPhone because you can do everything you want on it. You can take pictures, you can check in at places.
Phone, definitely. Yeah, my phone.
Mine would probably be, phone or camera.
I think my television or my phone, probably, yeah.
So the phone seems to be people's favourite gadget.
Definitely. I use my phone for everything too.
Well, that's all for today. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.